With search and display advertising, financial advisors can reach affluent prospects who are currently in the market for investment and financial planning services. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for future updates on lead generation for financial advisors. This is an example of an ad that would appear when a prospect searches for Wealth Management Washington, D.C. Clicking on the ad will send users to the advisor's website or a custom landing page. In this example of an ad that appears on phones, the user can either click through to the website or hit the click to call button that initiates an inbound phone call to the advisor's office. Since you are only charged for clicks, you want to avoid appearing for searches that are not likely to be prospects. We do this by only appearing for high intent searches. This includes searches where the prospect appears to currently be in the market for advisory services. Searches like financial advisor near me, fee-only investment advisor, and Chicago CPF all indicate that the searcher is likely to be in the market. By contrast, we would avoid appearing for topics that are overly broad like Bitcoin or inflation. We would also avoid topics where the searcher is probably just doing research and is not necessarily looking for an advisor. Mutual funds and tax credits are examples. Another type of search term that we target can be called money in motion or entry points. Examples include 401k rollover, setting up a 529 plan, and inherited Roth IRA. This generally involves opening or moving a retirement account, trust, or savings account. With display advertising, we have access to most well-known financial and investment websites, apps, and YouTube channels. We never target entire websites, but instead target specific articles and sections of websites. The goal is to replicate the intent that you have with search ads. In this example, the article 6 Questions to Ask When Choosing a Wealth Management Firm is likely to be read by a person who is in market. The ad on the right is highly relevant to the article, and a click on the ad will send the prospect to the advisor's website. This is a similar example on a phone. A reader of Investopedia's Guide for Finding a Financial Advisor or Planner is likely to be in the market. You can see this advisor's ad embedded in the article. Most advisors are interested in targeting local affluent prospects, so our goal is to spend most of the budget in nearby affluent zip codes. In this table, you can see zip codes near the advisor's office, sorted by how far they are from the office. Data on income brackets and average home price have been appended from the IRS and Zillow respectively. The bid adjustment column determines how much we will spend in any zip code. Obviously, the closer and more affluent a zip code is, the more aggressively we would target that area. Our coverage map provides an overview of targeted areas. In addition to zip code targeting, we can target much more specific locations. This can include company headquarters, universities, medical centers, and affluent neighborhoods. This is IBM's headquarters on a map. We can target just this location to reach their employees. In this example, we are targeting Trousdale Estates in Los Angeles, where average home values are over 11 million. Along with location targeting, additional demographic and user behavior targeting is layered in. Income bracket targeting relies on user behavior and interests. When targeting age brackets, most advisors will exclude younger age groups and focus most of the spend on middle age and up. Advisors can focus more of the spend on homeowners and people with more advanced education. Recent user behavior can also be taken into account. This includes people who have recently done relevant searches and visited relevant web pages, as well as people who have visited your own website. If this video was helpful, please like it, share it, or subscribe for future updates. If your firm is interested in setting up a campaign, contact me at gkellett@vizala.com.